Anybody know what that noise is? What kind of bugs or insects or birds or animal, whatever that noise is? Anybody know? Take a good listen. What are those? Like, I hear them all the time. I just don't know what it is. Some sort of bug, right? I know I hear frogs over there too. I know there's a pond over there, but those aren't frogs, right? I can hear bullfrogs every now and then. I can hear like a ribbit too. Are those like, what are those? If you know, please leave a comment if you watch this video. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.